Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel, and today we're going to learn how I made my intro. So I downloaded Fonto, which is the app we're using here. You're going to select plain images and you're going to pick whichever one you would like, and you could choose different colors. So that's what I'm doing here, and this is for just example. And you hit the share button and you hit use and you hit add text. And right here, I will put the business name or the channel name for your YouTube. Okay, and right here, we're just going to adjust, and you have the different options. We're going to select font, and there's different fonts. You can change the size, and also you can move it around or hit layout for the exact location that you would like. At the bottom left corner, we're going to hit the lines and we're going to select add image and select whatever image you would like for your intro to start with. Adjust your picture and save. And now we're going to do it all over again, but add a picture. You can do this as many times as you would like. But now we're going to go to glitchy, and you're going to select the left button and you're going to select the first photo, and then you're going to select which effect you would like for the first image. Now you're going to save and do it all over again with both photos and save as video with whatever effects you choose. After you picked which effects you wanted for all your photos, we're going to go to VLLO and we're going to hit create video, and we're going to select all three of those images we saved as videos. Okay, now I've shortened them up to around the length I would like my intro to be. And now I'm selecting the effect it gives me with the transition. And you can select whichever one you would like. I think they're all pretty cool in my opinion, so that's all up to you. Now I'm selecting music for my template intro, and I'm going to be showing you the whole thing now. And with the little plus button, you can add an image that's clear so you can put in words. So this is my example of that. But that is all for today's tutorial, and at the end of this video I will include my actual intro I've actually saved for myself. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy and subscribe. Love you guys. See you later.